Well, guys, we're back in the kitchen, aren't we? What are we making today, Gabby?
Pasta.
Pasta. What kind of pasta? Pasta carbonara. We made a lot of pasta yesterday, too, didn't we?
To eat.
Yep, to eat. So we picked a little bit of garlic. Yep, we picked a little bit of garlic, and what we're doing here is we are pan roasting the garlic. We are infusing our olive oil, and we're going to make this garlic really easy to peel. So it's nice and GBD, which means golden brown and delicious. Then I'm going to take this garlic out, and watch how easy this is to peel after you fry it like this. It's just incredible. In addition, this oil we're going to use to saute the bacon and green onions and all that stuff. But all you need to do now is watch how easy that peels, just like so. Isn't that fabulous? So we're going to actually put the garlic in the eggs to make our pasta. And yes, this is hot, and it's burning my fingers a little bit. Does it burn a little bit?
It burns your mouth.
Does it burn your mouth too? That's awesome, isn't it?
I don't like onions.
Garlic, and then we are going to do a little bit of herbs. We have some wild onions, some oregano, and all you do with oregano is just peel here.
I picked those onions.
Yep, you peeled those. A little bit more oregano, and we got the garlic scapes and some wild onions that we're going to do a coarse chop. And all of this is going to go in this egg mixture. This, a little salt and pepper. And I'm going to blend this whole mess just like so. Gabby, you ready? Okay. A little bit more. We want it to be smooth, don't we? Okay, so you have to make the pasta, don't you? Okay, you ready? Okay, stand up. So put the flour in the mixer. Okay? That flour in there. Okay? Good. All of it. And I'm going to put the eggs in with the herbs and the garlic. That's it. Good job.
It's stuck.
It's stuck? Okay, so we're going to lift it up. And as this mixing, you're going to run the pasta through. Remember how to do that?
Yes.
Okay, so stand up. Stand up. A little faster.
Whoa.
Okay. I'll help you. Okay, we'll do it together. You catch. Oh, got it. Good. Okay, good job.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
It's cool.
Isn't that cool? This is great, isn't it? Okay. Good, lay it flat. Remember? I'll hand them to you. We'll both do them. How's that? No? Okay, good. Okay, now we're going to make them really long and make them short, okay? Ready? We're going to go to about number 5. Okay. Put it through. Well, look at that. That looks great, doesn't it?
It looks yummy.
It looks yummy is right. Okay, keep going. Okay, that one's done. You're good at this, aren't you?
Look how big this one is.
That's a big one, isn't it?
Oh, yes. This one.
Okay, that one's done. This one's done. Okay.
It makes it really thin.
It makes it thin, like it should be. Like all the fettuccine behind us, right?
Stop it. This one's not thin, so you put it in.
Okay, we'll do that one, and then we're going to use the cutter, okay? Remember the cutter to make the noodles?
Yeah.
Okay, so quick change.
Look how big this
That is a huge one, isn't it?
So we make pasta. I can't wait for
Okay, you ready? I'd stand up, because you need to stand up, okay? I'll put them in, and you can put them in, okay? You ready?
Oh my
Okay,
gosh.
then we got to catch them. I'll grab this when you get ready to do one, okay?
I want to do mine to catch. Look.
Okay. Awesome. here. Keep running. Okay, I'll grab that. We're gonna grind this one on the mixer, okay? Put another one in. Boy, we're gonna have a great lunch, aren't we? Man, look how long that is. Want help or you got it? I'll help you. I'll catch you, feed it in. That's my biggest paw, isn't it? Okay, do another one.
I'm gonna catch this.
Okay, you catch that one. I'll feed it, you catch it. Ready? Don't break it. You got flour all over you now, don't you? Good job.
This one's a big one.
I know.
I think these are big.
All right, guess what?
We have one more.
Well, okay, one more. Okay. Okay, guys. It's time to start cooking lunch. We'll be back in a few seconds, won't we?